afternoon. Thank you for calling Ocean Breeze Hotel. This is Joel at the front desk. How may I assist you today?
Hi, I'd like to ask if you have a sea view room available from December 20 to 2022.
Absolutely. Let me check our availability for those dates. Yes, we do have Sea View Deluxe and Premier Sea View rooms available. May I know how many guests will be staying?
Just me and my wife.
Perfect. For two guests, the Sea View Deluxe room is 5,200 per night, and the Premier Sea View is 6,000 per night. Both rooms include daily breakfast for two, free Wi-Fi, and access to our infinity pool at the end view.
Do you have current promotions?
Yes, sir. We have a limited time promo for December. Book 2 nights in a Premier View room and receive complimentary airport transfer and a 15-minute couples foot massage and our spa. It's perfect for relaxing getaway.
That sounds great. I'll go with the Premier Sea View room.
Wonderful choice, sir. May I have your full name, mobile number, and email address? Proceed with your reservation.
My name is Mr. Tan alias, and my phone number is 0912356678, and my email is mrtan alias@gmail.com.
Thank you, Mr. Tan. Premier Sea View room, December 20 to 22, 2 nights, 6,000 per night, inclusive of breakfast, Wi-Fi, food, gym access, plus airport transfer and spa book and spa foot massage. Total stay is 12,000. Would you like to pay now or upon arrival?
I'll pay upon arrival.
Noted, sir. I've reserved your room under your name. A confirmation email will be sent shortly. Would you like to arrange your airport transfer now?
Yes, please. I'll send you our flight details by email.
Perfect, sir. Once we receive the flight info, we'll arrange the pickup for you. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that's all. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome, Mr. Tan. We look forward to welcoming you and your wife to Ocean Breeze Hotel. Have a great day, sir.